In this video, I'll show you how I turned $100 into $400 in just few minutes with just 2 indicators. And if you are a beginner trader, then this can be the best strategy for you. So let's get into the video. Here we are setting up our charts to candles and 1 minute time frames. And let's make the expiration time to 1 minute as well. And yeah, that's all. Now let's go to the indicator tab and let's select ADX, and the another one is super trend. And yeah, that's all. Now let's change the value of super trend. Let's make the multiplier to 2 and let's save it. Okay, now let's change the period of ADX as well. Let's make the DLN to 5. And yeah, now let's go to the style, disable the ADX line. Let's make the plus DI to green with 2 pixel and the minus DI to red with 2 pixel. And yeah, that's all, and save it. Okay, that's the indicator. Now at last, let's choose the best currency pair with more than 80% return. Okay, now I will be back after a few seconds after I get a perfect timing to open a position. Okay, here I am starting my day with a great signal and I have bought here. The first reference which I have seen is the super trend. As you can see, a green line is formed below the candles, which means that the market will go reverse. As you can see, previously the market was coming down, now it will start to go up. That's the first reason why I bought here. And the second one is, as you can see in the ADX line, the red and green line is intersecting each other from top to bottom, which also indicate that the market will reverse. So both of the indicator is telling me that the market will go up. So that's the reason I have bought here. And yeah, this was the first win of the day. Now let's go to the another one. And again here, as you can see, I have found another great signal to open the position. So that's why I have sold here. The reason I have sold here is, at first I have looked at the super trend line. As you can see, the red line is formed on the top of the candles, which indicates that the market will go reverse. Previously it was coming from the bottom to top, now it will go from top to bottom. Okay, and it is confirmed by the ADX line. As you can see at the ADX line, they are both intersecting each other. Green and red line is intersecting each other from top to bottom, which also indicates that trend will go reverse. So that's the reason I have sold here. Okay, this is the second win of the day. Now let's go and find a similar type of pattern again. And here I found a similar type of pattern again. So as you can see, the red line is formed on the top of the candles, which indicates that the market will come down, and it is confirmed by the ADX line. As you can see, again the red line and the green line of the ADX is intersecting each other from top to bottom. So both of the indicator is telling me that the market will go down. So that's the reason I have sold here. Okay, here I found another great timing to open our position and I have sold here. The reason I have sold is, as you can see, red line is formed on the top of the candles. As I said before, whenever the red line is formed on the top, the market will go reverse. And to confirm that signal, you should have to look ADX. As you can see here in the ADX, the green and red line is intersecting each other. This is another signal of the market going down. And another signal is the red and green line is going on a completely opposite direction. As you can see, the red line is completely opposite. It is going up and the green line is going down. So that's the another reason why I sold here. And yeah, that was the last trade of the day, and we have started with $100. Now we have $409, which is quite good. And remember, not every strategy will give you 100% return. Sometimes you may lose as well. Today it was a great day, so I didn't make any loss, but you can make a loss. So that's why practice on a demo account at first, and when you get comfortable with this strategy, then only go to the real account, and in real account as well, put little money at first and then gradually increase the money after getting a profit from it. So if you like this video, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button, and don't forget to comment down below if you like this strategy or not. Thank you for watching. See you in the next strategy video.